Let's play big bank, take little bank. You are looking at a shark in a fish tank. When I'm in the kitchen, I make plenty cash. Tell shorty come here, she got plenty ass. Yeah, I love them strippers. 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 For the nigga who be talking loud and holding his dick, talking shit, he better lay low. Lay low. They said I shot some shit up out of my dick, now she sick. She better lay low. Lay low. Niggas who be claiming my hood and really ain't for my gang. Better lay low. Lay low. I hope he don't be thinking I'm just talking and I won't do a thing. Really hope so.
Lay low, nobody moving till I say so. Limo 10 rolling deep like the president. See, I don't go to clubs, I never chase a bitch. I'm here to bang that gangsta shit to the apocalypse. We call it stress, some of y'all call it chocolate. Return of the top dog, and ain't no stopping this. Whatever the case, I ain't trying to catch it. Lay low, blow big dope and slang records. Unseen but well heard, do not disturb. The only reason you alive, cause I ain't sent a word. I flip faster than birds. Snoop Dogg will emerge from the smoke and go low. You shouldn't provoke, I bring the worst from the LBC. Smash motherfuckers thinking they gon' smash on me. Snoop and Dre give a fuck about what y'all say. From the world's most dangerous group, NWA.
It was no surprise, I always knew these fools would trip. Hate, faking, scheming on mine and on the down low, talking shit. Best rule, cause I refuse to lose, no matter which damn road I choose. So lay low, cause you might be bruised. Top story on the evening news. I ain't the games, so if you wanna play, I'm laying low. Lay down on the floor, lay down on the floor. I'm in a rage, so if we gotta do this, let me know. That's what I came for, what I came for.
Where that nigga who be talking shit, he don't come around no more because I fucked this bitch. I made her suck my dick while I was squeezing the tits, and I hit it from the back, grip tight on them hips. She tried to make me come, but I was trying to take her home. Dropped her off and seen you fishing on the raggedy bone, could up you in the dome. Fag. And don't sag too hard, you show everybody you tone. We bring it straight to ya. From 22 Belugas, the shit that shoot through you. Who you motherfuckers think the top dog bang with? The same clique he came with and made the game flip. Now niggas roll their head, hold they stand, act hard. Best even though your CEO talk shit, get slapped hard. The backyard is where we get our spot.
I got love for my homies who be rolling with me. Play no games, cause ain't nobody playing with me. I got love for my niggas on my family tree. I got love from the ghetto, down for whatever I was down before, and you still going down with me. I got game, cause the game was given to me. Say my name, say my name, cause ain't nobody tighter than me. Give it up, give it up, if you like the way I'm rockin' this beat. I don't know nothing better, chasing my cheddar, in love with a whore, you ain't never listened Captain say, look her cause she hanging on me. She can't hang, she can't hang, cause I ain't looking for a wifey. Just in case, I better take a weapon with me. And these hoes get clever, down for whatever. If she stress me some more, I'll leave her hanging out. Funny how the haters, they be all in the mix. And they know, when they know it ain't gon' get no better than this. Can't they see? Can't they see? We ain't some niggas that wanna diss. I love a trick never, treat a bitch never. I told you before, so you better not be fucking
Down
unquenchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest. Like a vest for your Jimmy in the city of sex. We in that sunshine state where the bomb ass him be. The state where you never find a dance floor empty and pimp speed. On a mission for them greens. Lean, mean, money making machines, serving fiends. I've been in the game for 10 years making rap tunes. Ever since Honeys was wearing Sassoon. Now it's 95 and they clock me and watch me diamond shining, looking like a Rob Liberace.
Yeah.
2 Chainz.
What's that on that beat? Ho.
I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Middle finger up to my competition. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Pull up to the scene, but my roof gone. When I leave the scene, bet your boot gone. And I beat the pussy like a new song. 2 Chainz, but I got me a few everything hot, skip lukewarm. Tell Shawty bust it open, off the loop gone. Got a present for the present and a gift wrapping. I don't feel good, but my trigger happy. But the stripper happy, but they wish they had me. And I wish a nigga would like I'm kitchen cabinet. And me and you are cut from a different fabric. I fucked it so good, it's a bad habit. Bitch sit down, you got a bad addict. Gave her the wrong number and a bad addict. You ain't going nowhere like a bad nabby. Ass so big, I told her look back at it. Look back at it, look back at it. Then I put a fat rabbit on a Craftmatic. I am so high, addict. I am so high like a addict. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Middle finger up to my competition. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. 2 Chainz got your girl on the silly, and when I get off the silly, I made her meet at the telly. When she meet at the telly, I put it straight in her belly. When it go in her belly, it ain't shit you can tell me. Hair long, money long. Me and broke niggas, we don't get along. Hair long, money long. Me and broke niggas, we don't get along. I paid $1,000 for my sneakers. Jay told you $100K for a feature. Sound on the bed. Beat it up, then I get some head. Well, I might get some head, then I beat it up. I don't give a fuck, switch it up, nigga, live it up. Yeah, it's going down, so get up. Might valet park a Brinks truck.
What's that on that beat? Ho.
I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing. Middle finger up to my competition. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. I'm different, yeah, I'm different. Pull up to the scene with my ceiling missing.
I love them strippers. Yeah, I love them strippers. Yeah, I love them strippers. Yeah, I love them strippers. In my foreign car, got the trunk by the engine. So when I bag, I'm frontin' on you niggas. First a bag, Louis backpack. Where's Paris Hilton? Where's Cat Stack? I'm Rambo with this ammunition. My camo come from True Religion. Them broke codes can't pay attention. Your cue to missing. New edition, Mr. Telephone Man. There's something wrong with my line. When I call my baby's number, I get a click every time. Every line is dope, you can snort it. Work in the pot, I can make it do a robot. I'm hater-phobic, they mad cause I'm winning. They busy hind catching.
Brass monkey, that funky monkey. Brass monkey, chunky, that funky monkey. Brass monkey, that's more than real. Drink brass monkey, here's how you feel. You put your left leg down, your right leg
Right there.